Hello everyone, welcome back to Nakshatra Rubik's. Today we are going to learn how to solve this twisted cube. You can see this cube, it is a form of 3 by 3 but in a twisted pattern. Yes, today we are going to learn this cube. If you already know how to solve this 3 by 3 cube, then you can solve this twisted cube very easily in a span of seconds. If you don't know how to solve this 3 by 3 cube, please check my channel. I have uploaded a brief video regarding how to solve this 3 by 3 cube. I have given a step-by-step tutorial video as well. Please check my videos and learn how to solve 3 by 3 cube very easy and simple. Now let's focus on this twisted cube and learn how to solve this cube using 3 by 3 algorithm. Here we are using exactly 3 by 3 algorithm to solve this twisted cube. First let me show the layers of this cube. You have to hold two hands and this will be your right layer and this will be your left layer and this will be your upper layer. So this will be your front layer. Just like the turnings in 3 by 3 right layer, left layer, all the layers, it is same in this cube as well. The only difference is this is a little twisted in the middle and the center has two color in this cube. The top yellow and bottom white will be plain, the other four sides will be little twisted. Now let's shuffle this cube and start solving. Once the cube is completely shuffled, the next step is to make daisy, just like 3 by 3 cube. Keeping yellow center on the top, we have to bring 4 white edges on the top of yellow center. This you have already done in 3 by 3 cube. The same exactly you have to do in this cube as well. Just find the white edges and bring it to the top of yellow center. That is the first step again. Now daisy is done just like 3 by 3 cube. After completing daisy, next step is to make white cross. How we do white cross in 3 by 3 is just we match the edges to its exact centers and sending it down. This is how we do in 3 by 3 cube. The same exact step we have to repeat in this twisted cube. Now let's see how to make this white cross with matching edges with the centers in this twisted cube. In this cube you can see all the centers are of two different colors. Okay, all the centers have two colors, so we have to match the edges according to its perfect color. Just let me show you. So here you can see two blue centers I have. So if I want to match this blue edge to its center, then I have to pick the right blue. Then how do you identify the right blue? See, both the blues are matching with its edge. But if you want to pick the right blue to match it with the centers, so always you have to pick the right side blue, whichever is in your right side. That means when you match one blue to its center, the one more blue should be on your left side perfectly. Then only it is perfect. Now let's go for another color. Here you can see orange. I have to match orange to its center. This is the one orange, but one more is on my right side. So I have to match it to its orange on the right side orange. One should be extra on my left side. Okay, now it is not matching perfectly. So what I am doing is send the white away by rotating the top layer and rotate the front layer. So that when you bring back the white, the orange should match with orange center like this. So one is on my left side. So this white which is on my front is exactly matching. So I am rotating the front layer 2 times and sending white to down. Here you can see the red is already matching with the red center, but I don't have one more red on the left side. So I am holding top layer and rotating the bottom 2 layers to bring the second red. So the right side red is matching with the center but not exactly matching. So what we have to do, rotate the top layer and take the white edge away from the front and then rotate the front layer so that the red will become straight. Now bring the white back and try to match it. If it is matching, then send the white down by rotating the front layer 2 times. So now the last white edge is green, so I need to pick the right side green. It is already there but it is not matching. So turn top layer and send the white away and rotate the front layer to make the green straight. So now bring back the white and match exactly green to green and rotate the front layer 2 times and take the white down. So here the white rose is ready and all the white edges are matching with its exact centers. Once you are done with the white cross, the next step is to match the 4 corners of the white. So next we have to find the white in the down layer, see who is white friend, we have to match it with exact centers and then we have to fix white to the top just like 3x3. So these 3x3 tutorials I have already shown in the another video. Please check my channel and find how to fix the corners. So now let's see how to fix these 4 corners in this twisted cube using same 3x3 algorithms. Here I have white on my down layer left. So white is attached with orange, so I am bringing orange center. Here you can see orange center is matching with the white orange and white is having one more color, that is green. So I have to fix that edge between orange and green. So here you can see orange and green edge. So I have to fix this white corner between the orange and green edges. Let's fix using same 3x3 technique. Down layer right, left layer down. Now bring the white back and up, left layer up. So the corner has been attached with the top between orange and green edges. So I have to find one more. Here I have one more white with a green and red. So I need to take this corner between green and red edges. So here you can see I have green and red edges on the top. So I have to fix this green and red corner between those 2 edges on the top left. Down layer right, left layer down, bring back the down layer back to left and left layer up. So the corner is fixed. So I have one more white here with a red and blue. So I have to bring red and blue edges in front of me and I have to fix the corner on my left top. So do the same thing, down layer right, left layer down, back and up. So yes, it is also fixed in the top. So yeah, now the last white here we have it on the right side with orange and blue color. So I have to take this corner between orange and blue edges and fix it to the top. It is on the right side, so down layer should go left, right layer down, bring it back to right and up. So now the corner is fixed in the top. Once all the corners are fixed properly, the white has been completed with completing its first layer of the cube. You can see here all the first layer of the cube is completed just like 3x3 and matching with its exact centers. So while completing the white, sometimes we face some issues where the corners of the white will be in the bottom or in the top layer. So at that time how you will fix? So you have to fix exactly like 3x3. Just for your reference, I'm showing first in the 3x3 cube, then I'll be showing in the twisted cube as well. So now here you can see the white is in the bottom. So when white is in the bottom, first you have to bring it below the empty corner. So when it is below the empty corner on my right side, you have to do right layer down and down layer rotate 2 times. So white will come up, then you will fix it to the top like as usual. So this is how you do. So now let's see the same thing on this twisted cube, how to fix the same issues. Yes, coming back to twisted cube, here you can see I don't have 2 corners in this twisted cube. Let's see where are those 2 corners. One is in the bottom and one is in the top. Again, when the white is in the top, how to fix it to the top again? First we need to get it down. We have to get it down just like 3x3. It is on my right side, so I am doing right layer down and down layer also right, and then right layer up. So that's it. So white came down. Once it is coming down, then you have to fix it as usual. It is with orange and blue, so I need to fix it below the orange and blue edges. So yes, it is done. Now one more white, it is in the bottom. So when white is in the bottom, again how to do it? You have to bring below the empty corner. The white should be below the empty corner. Wherever the white, you have to rotate the down layer and just bring it below the empty corner, just like 3 by 3. Once you bring it exactly below the empty corner, if it is in the right side, you have to do right down. If it is in the left side, you have to do left down. So it is been exactly below my right side, so I have to do now right layer down first. So right layer down, and then down layer also rotate right side one time, and then right layer up. So white is here now in front of me on the left side. So now again match it to the centers and fix it to the top as usual. First find the color of the corner. It is with green, red and white corner, so it has to come between green and red edges. So I'm fixing it to the top between the green and red edges. Down layer right, left layer down, down layer back to left, and left layer up. So the white is completed with the first layer also completed, and first layer is exactly matching with its center. So after completing the first layer of the cube, next step is to fix the second layer of the cube. So you already know how to fix the second layer in the 3 by 3 cube. We need to find one edge piece from the top layer. The front color you need to match it with the center. The top color, if it is in the right side, right formula, left side, left formula. How to apply these formulas I have already shown in the 3 by 3 video tutorials on my channel. You can watch it from there. So now we have to use the same 3 by 3 second layer algorithm in this twisted cube to complete the second layer of the cube. These are the edges which we need to fix it in the second layer. You can see here the orange block is already fixed. Like that only we have to fix this red and green block into the second layer. First I am going to fix the red edge. This red edge has to be fixed between two red centers. If I keep this red edge on blue and red center, I need to fix it on my right side. Again, if I keep this red edge on red and green center, I have to fix it on my left side. That means this red edge should be fixed between two red. So using the same algorithm, I have to fix this block to the left hand side. The algorithm goes U dash, L dash, U, L, U, F, U dash, F dash. So the red has been fixed correctly in its proper edge. So now again we need to find green, and we have to fix green to its proper position. So I am fixing it from the right side using right algorithm. U, R, U dash, R dash, U dash, F dash, U, F. So the green edge is also fixed. So the second layer of the twisted cube is completed. After completing two layers of this cube, next step is to complete yellow on the top. Just like 3 by 3 cube, first we need to check the patterns and we have to get yellow cross on the top. Once you get yellow cross on the top, then we have to fix 4 yellow corners to complete yellow on the top. Check the given pattern and get yellow cross. The formula to get yellow cross is we have to use F, R, U, R dash, U dash, F dash. So here we got yellow cross. Once you get yellow cross, then we have to fix 4 yellow corners. The corner formula goes like this: R, U, R dash, U, R, U, U, R dash. Again we have to repeat the same formula: R, U, R dash, U, R, U, U, R dash. So again I got cross. Repeat the formula until you complete 4 yellow corners. Repeat the same formula. Now yellow is completed on the top. You can see here the yellow is fully completed. Sometimes you will get parity cases where you cannot get yellow cross on the top, which doesn't comes in 3 by 3 cube. But in twisted cube you will get the yellow parity after completing the second layer. So if your cube looks somewhat like this is a parity. You will see 3 yellows in front of you, And solving this parity is very easy. I'm going to show you some algorithm in which you can solve this parity very easily. The algorithm for parity is as shown in here. You have to use this algorithm R U R dash U2 R U2 R dash U F dash U dash F. So here you can see we have solved the parity case. Now you can get the cross using the same algorithm of cross. The algorithm for yellow cross is F R U R dash U dash F dash. That's all. We got a cross here, and you know how to solve the cube once you get a cross. Now the yellow is fully completed on the top of the cube. You can see here both the cubes. So once the yellow is completed, next step is to match the corners of the cube with the houses. So we have to match the corners. First we need to check, is there any corners are already matching or not. If it is not matching, we have to use the corner algorithm and we have to match the corner like this. You can see here now the green is completed in this cube, that means the corner is matching. So if I repeat the corner formula one more time, so the corners of all the sides will get matched automatically. You can see here the corners are matching in this cube. So let's apply the same algorithm in this twisted cube. First you need to find, is there any corners matching. Here in this cube also no corner matching. So we have to match all the corners. You can hold any positions and apply this algorithm. R dash F R dash B B R F dash R dash B B R R. So here one side corners is already matching, that is green. Whichever the corners already matching, keep it on the back side and repeat the algorithm again so that all corners will get matched. R dash F R dash B B R F dash R R dash B B R R. So here you can see all the corners are matching with its houses. Blue is matching, red is matching, green is matching, orange is also matching. So once corner matching is done, next step is to match the edges of the cube, which is the last step. So you already know how to match the edges. Whichever the color is completed, keeping it on the back side, we have to see the edge color. If the edge color is in the right side, right algorithm. If edge color is in the left side, left algorithm. This algorithm I have already shown in 3x3 video tutorials. The same algorithm I am using here as well. Now let's apply the same algorithm in this twisted cube. Here you can see I have blue edge and blue house is on my right side. So I'm using right algorithm. FF U dash R dash L FF R L dash U dash FF. So now you can see here one side of the cube is completed, that is blue. So sometimes here one center will get twisted, should not worry about that. First you need to complete the cube, later I will tell you how to correct it. So again, whichever the color is completed, keeping it on the back side, repeat the formula again. I'm using the right algorithm again because my edge color is on my right side, that's why I'm using right algorithm. So once you use the algorithm, the cube gets completed. So don't worry about the twisted part, we will do it later. Once the cube is completed, next you can concentrate on the twisted centers and you can correct it properly, no worries on that. Now let's solve these twisted centers. First you have to keep the twisted centers on the top. You can face any color your side, either white or yellow, no matter. Just keep the twisted center on the top. You can do any one first, two you cannot do it together. First you have to do one by one. I'm keeping one twisted center on the top. I'm just doing R, U, R dash U. R U R dash U R U R dash U R U R dash U R U R dash U. So one is corrected, the other one again do the same thing, keeping it in the top, repeat the algorithm. R U R dash U 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 R U R dash U. That's all. So the whole cube got solved. So this is how we solve this twisted cube using 3x3 algorithms. Hope you all like this video tutorial. You can solve this twisted cube only if you know how to solve this 3x3 cube. If you have any doubts regarding this cube, please leave me a comment. I'll get back with you and answer. So for more such video tutorials, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So I'll be back with more such video tutorials. Till the time, please take care and enjoy your cubing. Happy cubing. Bye bye.